Hello, I saw your question in the email. A researcher wants to study the effects of sleep deprivation on motor skills. 9 people volunteered for the experiment. Amanda, Brian, Christine, etc. to Ivan. 9 people. Use the second row of digits. So this is row 1. The middle one be row 2, and the bottom one's row 3. In the random number table to select a simple random sample of 3 subjects. So they want 3 subjects. You need to ignore the zeros. The other 6 subjects will go into a control group. The subjects are numbered 1 through 9 alphabetically. What are the numbers in the 3? What are the numbers of the 3 subjects? So we're just last problem we were using double digits. This time, you're just using single digits. 1 through 9. They tell you to ignore zeros. So you come to this second row. The first number's a 0, so we ignore it. Second number's a 6, and so we want that one. So 6, and then we just continue. Then we have another 0, so we ignore it. Then we have a 5 and a 3. So our next 2 numbers, are 5 and 3. We only need 3 numbers. If we needed more, we'd come over here, get a 2 and then a 7. When they repeat, we would ignore it. So, 6, 5, and 3 is the answer to this one. And the 6th person would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corresponds to Fred, 5 corresponds to Emily, and 3, let's see, that would be 1, 2, Christine. Hope this helps.